what's up? Danielle here. Oh my gosh, look at this background. It is so freaking empty. It feels so weird. I'm like, I just need to put stuff in this background to make it look super cute. But if you guys don't know, we are definitely redecorating my bedroom today. I'm super excited about this. My last video was actually a Target haul, and I bought all this super cute stuff, and it's been taking like all of my energy to like wait and do this on video for you guys because I'm so freaking excited for my room transformation. It used to be like all like Christmassy, and I was just like, ugh, like I'm so ready for like Christmas to be over. And I was like, you know what? I just got on Pinterest, I started scrolling, Target came out with a new home line, and I was like, yes, it is time to redecorate my entire bedroom, and I'm super excited because everything's kind of like a blue boho chic, and I'm so freaking pumped. I think it's so cute, and I am absolutely obsessed, and I can't wait to see this room come together. But if you guys want to see me like decorate my room and see it transform, then definitely keep watching. I'm gonna do this a little bit more of an informal video, so I'm just going to, you know, just come in, check in now and then, and be like, this is what I'm doing now, this is this. Do it a lot more like a vlog style. There you go, that's what I'm trying to get at. And I'm excited just to like get it together. So step one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by like cleaning the surfaces, just like clean everything. I just washed my bedding, so my bedding's all clean and it is ready to go for all this new like decoration. One thing I will say is I love having a mostly white bedroom. So like when it comes to like my bedroom being white, like my bedding, my like accessories, my like furniture, all of it's white because I can change up my style like anytime that I want. And especially with me being like an interior design student and kind of like a little bit crazy and like constantly wanting change, it's a lot easier to change up my room if everything's like mostly like white or black, because really it goes with anything. So we are going to get the Clorox wipes out, we are going to start cleaning, so let's go.
Yeah, I've been watching you for a while.
Alright guys, so now cleaning is done. I have officially worked up a sweat. It's actually kind of hot in here. I ended up vacuuming and just wiping down the countertops and things like that in here. Now we're gonna move on to the fun stage, which is decorating. I'm super excited. I showed you guys this in my vlog, but I bought some pillows. So I got this one. They're all from Target. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then this brown fur one I actually made like a long time back, and I love it. I think it's so cute. So yeah, now we can officially put the pillows on the bed. We're finally adding some color to this like super white room, and guys, I'm so excited.
It's 5 a.m. and I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all. And there's this girl, she wants me to take her home. She don't really love me though. I'm just on the radio. And I'm not gonna tell you that I'm over it, 'cause I think about it every night, I'm not suffering. I know I keep these feelings to myself, but I don't need nobody else. But you're not the only one on my mind, if I'm being honest.
Alright guys, so it's time for an update with this room transformation. It is turning out so freaking good. It's like falling like perfectly into place, but I have done a couple things. So I just placed this beautiful basket. It's supposed to be a like blanket basket or something like that. It's next to like my TV, and then I also put the bins in. But yeah, so this is just like, it kind of looks like blankets, but really it's sweaters. So that's like a super cool knockoff. I just like rolled them up in here. I found like some Pinterest ideas on how to do it, and then this is just leftover of that fuzzy fabric. And then talking about this rug, that is actually the same fabric as what's on these bins and the leftover one that's in the basket, but I just like traced out like this organic shape and I turned it into this super cute rug. Obviously it's like not durable or anything because it's just a plain fabric. So I don't know, I think it's gonna turn out super cute. I don't know if I want to add something else to this corner. Like I feel like I need like a little like pedestal or like chair or something like right there. It's in the works, we're working on it. Next up, I just hung this baby. I am so freaking excited about him. So it is a hanging plant. I bought everything from Target. So I bought this a wood piece. It's actually like a wood platter. You guys would see that if you watched my home decor haul. I also bought this plant from there. And then just with this like hemp string, it's like super light. I just literally tied it into like a knot. I followed like some Pinterest like how to DIY and it turned out so freaking cute. I am obsessed with it. It was literally so easy. Like I expected it to be so much harder, but it was so easy. So if you guys want to see something like that, definitely leave a comment down below and I could totally do a DIY for you guys, or otherwise I'll just link the Pinterest one that I followed. Guys, so my room is officially done. I am obsessed. I love it. I feel like I'm gonna say this all the time, but it is so freaking cute. Like, oh, this is exactly what I needed. Like sometimes you just need like change in your life and this was it. So here is the final look, guys. It is a gorgeous, oh my god. So this is my nightstand. Over here is my like, what's it called? Closet. It's really not looking too cute right now. We'll do some spring cleaning on that. Anyways, this is my nightstand. So I have some pictures that I did and then a candle from Bath and Body Works, and then I have an owl. I've had this for a super long time. I got it like from Forever 21 like a super long time ago. These are the pillows in the bed. This is the hanging plant over in the corner. Here's my other nightstand over here that I decorated. It's looking super good. And then over here is this a beautiful like a full length mirror with this like fur and stuff down here. Guys, I'm still like super undecided. Do you think I need like another chair right here? Like not like another chair, but like kind of like a small like pedestal thing. I don't know. I think it would look super cute, but I don't know if it's also gonna like crowd the area. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think because I am super undecided about it. Over here we have my TV. I want to put some more like decor like beside the TV. I just, you know, I need to figure out what I want to do. I have the fur bins. This down here is like a raised platform that me and my dad made. Thank you so much, Dad, because I would never be able to make it on my own. But it is wood. Eventually I'm going to spray paint it silver, but since it's still like March here in Nebraska, it's actually too cold to be like spray painting and I don't want to spray paint indoors. Next up we have this basket, guys. It turned out so cute. I also have my like tripod chilling over here and like my battery charging. But yes, this is the cute basket. I think it turned out so freaking cute. Up here I actually just, it's super plain wall. It's kind of like, I don't know, I don't like it. But anyways, I just ordered a huge like push pin world map to put right here. It's gonna take up like the majority of this space. And I think it's gonna look so freaking good. I am so pumped about it. And plus like I just get to like pin everywhere that I've been. I think it's gonna be super cool. So that is the final space and I am obsessed. I think it looks so freaking good. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite thing is that I did in this room, and definitely leave a comment. Tell me if I need a chair or not, because I totally was gonna make one and now I'm like, I don't know. Like I feel like I need one, but then I don't. So if you guys love this video and are loving like this style, be sure to check out my vlog channel. I actually vlog a lot like this style. So if you guys are loving it, be sure to check that out. I will have it linked down below and on the screen as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!